Okay, this is what a screencast looks like. Right now I'm using a different tool to record my screen just to show you what the dashboard options are. So when you get started, all you're going to do is you're going to click on the icon up here in the upper right hand corner. It's the arrow icon with the little camera inside. And when you click on it, there's a couple of different options that will come up. First, you have the three bars over here on the left, and you can change some of your options here. A subscription. I have a premium subscription because I use it quite a bit. You can access your recordings. If you click on options, what will come up is a screen so you can change some of your individual options. You can save your screencast to your local device. I don't suggest this because the screencasts take up quite a bit of space. So we use the Google Drive to get our screencasts in there. And then later on in the tutorial, we'll look at getting those screencasts into YouTube. Then there's a couple of other things that you can play around with, recording settings, privacy, advanced, things like that. So those are some of the options. Now back to the dashboard. When it comes up, so you have options here, and then this is a quick link right here to your recordings. When I click on it, all of my recordings come up. So these are all the screencasts that I've ever done since I started my screencast account. You can see I have quite a few. And then if we go back to the dashboard, this is a notification icon. You click on it and it's got some different options and free offers and things like that from Screencastfy. And then over here on the right is the settings tab, and it's just like a quick settings screen right here. You can change the frame rate and your resolution and things like that. Then the meat of the program is a browser tab right here will only allow you to record the current browser that you're on. It will not, if you switch over tabs, it will not record that second tab. It will only record the first tab. Then you have desktop. This records everything that you're doing. So even if I close my browsers, it will record the desktop, record everything that's going on. Webcam only means it will just record you from your webcam. If you're doing something like maybe a lecture, some sort of lesson where you just want your face to show, that's what you would click as webcam. Then next here on the dashboard, you have microphone. So my setup, I have an external microphone and a DAW, which is a sound device. Most of you will be using just the internal camera on your laptop or your computer, and then the built-in microphone. I do this a lot, so I have an external microphone and webcam and things like that. But when you're talking, you can see as I'm talking, the volume level right here comes up. If I click on the microphone, I can adjust the intake sound of the audio. I can also change the audio on here to whatever microphone I want. And then you can also embed a webcam, and embedding the webcam will show your picture in any of these locations that you pick in the top left, top right, bottom left, or bottom right. And then when you are recording, it will also add your picture to your screencast. Then there's a few more options. You have a countdown. So when I click record, it will count down. You'll hear a voice go 3, 2, 1, and give you a little bit time to prepare. Drawing tools, which I'll go over in a minute. Those drawing tools, when you're in Screencastfy, will appear in the lower left corner, and those are things like highlight, and you can actually draw on the screen and things like that. And these are just a few more advanced features. So this is the dashboard, and that's how to navigate it. In the next couple of minutes, what we'll do is we'll look at some of those drawing tools, and we'll also look at how to upload these videos to YouTube.